In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the total number of days between a start and an end date in Microsoft Excel. The first thing we're going to do is find the total number of calendar days between a start and an end date. So I picked the first of this year, January 1st, of course, and today's date, 20 April 2020. And I want to find the number of calendar days between those 2 days. So I'm going to use my days formula. Type that in. Now the first thing you do is you put your end date in, and then you put your start date in. Close your parentheses, and you find that we've had 110 days in this year. It seems like a lot more to me, but that's what the math says. The next thing we'll do is we'll find the total number of work days. Excel does this using the net work days formula, which automatically excludes weekends and any holidays or other days that you put into the formula. So to do that, for January 1st to 20 April, we're going to use the formula net work days. We're going to use our start date of 1 January, our end date of 20 April when I made this video, and my third argument is I can factor out the 3 federal holidays we've had so far this year. Go ahead and press enter. I find that out of that 110 days in the calendar year, we've been at work for 76 of them. There are other applications for this too, and I'll show you one in a second. I'm going to reset the table and we'll be right back. So I've set up this table to give us a little bit of a practical exercise. Let's say that you walked into work this morning and the boss gave you a tasker that's due on 7 August. So you have about 4 months to complete this project. That seems like a lot of time. It's about 120 days, almost 4 full months. I've got plenty of time to do this, no worries. But let's say that we want to start scheduling and figure out how much time we actually do have. So we're going to use the net work days to see how much time we actually do have for this project, even though it's like 4 months away. Select that. Today I got the tasker. That's my start date. It's due the 7th of August, which is the first Friday in August. And then we will have had, between that time frame, we will have had Memorial Day, Independence Day as 2 federal holidays. So let's say that we took 2 weeks of leave in July because we deserve it. We'll add that in. We press enter. We find that even though August is like 4 months away, we actually have less than 70 work days total to get this project done. So we need to actually think in terms of that.